Okay, Tov. I'd like to share with you a Zohar. It's an amazing Zohar on Parashat Mishpatim. And I must admit, I don't understand many times the inyanim of the Zohar, especially this Zohar, which has got is Kabbalistic, very Kabbalistic in its content. But it's even without understanding the Amkut, the depth of the Zohar, but it puts us into a different world. Parashat Mishpatim starts v'ele amishpatim asher tasim lifnehem, and these are the laws that you should present and put before them, the Jewish people, the Sanhedrin, and then it speaks about this is the introduction to the laws of the monetary laws, civil laws, laws of damages, not ritual laws. Every single nation has got some legal system. And the Torah also says, "Va'ela mishpashem asher tasim lifnehem," and it starts off with the laws of Eved Ivri. Now, the Zohar says on Va'ela mishpatim that these mishpatim refers to the concept of Gilgul Neshamot. Can you imagine? Gilgul Neshamot means the re-incarnation of souls. So, what is it that Dafka in this parasha, the parasha which is the most rational of all the parashiyot in the Torah, it speaks about the legal system, about the laws of damages, the laws of torts, the laws of monetary obligations. In this parasha, that the Zohar says that Va'ela Mishpatim, these are the laws, referring to the laws that are involved in the reincarnation of souls. However we understand the reincarnation of souls, which is a major problem. So first of all, let's just explain, what does it mean? What does the Zohar mean? The Zohar means? The Zohar means, many times a person, let's say, goes to a court case, he knows 100% sure, we're not speaking about a crook, he knows 100% sure that the truth is with him, that he didn't lie, that he should win the case. He's 100% not only convinced, he knows that it's such a thing. He didn't steal from the person, etc. And when he goes to the court case, he goes to the Din Torah, the judges rule against him. So the Zohar says you should know, and this is how the Satmar Rebbe explained it. He says that the reason that he had to go through that court case and leave and lose money, which seems to be rightfully his, is because in a previous life, in another life before this life, in his previous Gilgul, he took money which wasn't his, and the way now that he has to repay that money is that now the court, which is operating again the law, according to the laws of the halakha, they found him guilty, even though he knows he's not guilty. How could it be? How can it be that a Beit Din who's following the laws of the Torah could give a judgment which is wrong? And the Zohar is saying, you know why it's wrong? Why it's wrong and right is because in a previous life he stole, and now he has to pay it back, and he pays it back through this mechanism of the Beit Din giving an incorrect and inverted commas ruling, and that's why it says Va'ela Mishpatim. These are the laws. And without understanding over here Gilgul Neshamot and not Gilgul Neshamot, what the Zohar is saying is so powerful. It puts us into a different world. We think that when it comes to the monetary laws, laws of damages, that it's all about harmony in society and amount that there shouldn't be friction and that there should be social coordination. That's how we look at the laws. That's how we look at most legal systems. And the Torah says, you know what the concept of Mishpat is? The concept of Mishpat, of justice is, it's so cosmic. It's not a matter of something which is relatively right or relatively true or relatively correct or something which brings about harmony. The concept of justice is that it's totally absolute. That means a person who stole, who took something which was not his in a previous life, so the world is in a way not shalem, it's disharmonious, till that person might have to come to the world a second time in order to pay back what he is owing. So that's all I'm saying. What the Zohar is saying is that it puts us in a different world. When we speak about robbery, theft, hurting someone, all these things that have to do against justice. That justice is so far-reaching is that it is absolute, and there has to be a restoration for that which is right, even if it takes years and hundreds of years. That's what the Zohar is saying in this introduction, Va'ela Mishpatim, that over here it refers to also Gilgul Neshamot.